Guys, today we're getting ready to install another central AC. It's made from Goodman, and we're gonna install this unit in Jericho, Long Island. So guys, stay tuned because we're doing this AC installation together. Hvac! What's up, mi gente? Guys, we're getting ready to load up the truck because we're getting ready to install this Goodman Central AC system here in Jericho, Long Island. So, guys, this is what it takes to install a Central AC system. You know, these are the logistics. This is what it takes. So we gotta get everything ready, pack the truck up, make sure we have everything so we don't kill time, and let's get ready to start this installation, baby. Stay tuned, baby. Hvac! Mi gente, guys, today we're doing an installation. So as you guys can see, we're prepping. So this is phase one. Phase one is demo because we have to demo, and this job is a little bit different because it's not like any other job. Most of the time we have access to the attic, whether it's through the closet or whether it's through the actual pull down door or some sort. In this case, they don't have that. So they have a little access door, which I barely fit. So we have no choice but to actually demo the ceiling. Anyway, the ceiling is damaged because of the water damage due to the condensation. So guys, it is what it is. So yeah, we're demoing, getting everything ready. So this is phase one. Once we're done with phase one, we get ready to start doing the actual installation itself. So stay tuned, guys. I can't wait for you guys to see the footage. I can't wait for you guys to see the content coming your way. Hvac! Alright guys, we just finished wrapping her up. So we just finished doing the final demoing, and we just finished removing and taking out the air handler. Guys, it's a bit of a pain in the ass, but the job gotta get done. So it's already done. So now we gotta clean up, get everything ready, because the next step is installing the unit. So guys, stay tuned. I'm taking you through the journey of what it is to install air handler on circumstances like this. Stay tuned, baby. Hvac! Alright, mi gente, you guys just finished watching the video and you just finished seeing phase one. That's right, guys. Now we get into the nitty gritty to phase two. That's right, guys. Phase two, this is the part that you guys are gonna see. We're gonna go up in the attic and we're gonna install the air handler. Guys, it's crazy, it's tight up there, but we're gonna make it happen. And then part of phase two is then we're gonna install the outdoor condenser. That's right, guys. That's what we do. We're recycling the actual line set because the line set was fine, so we flush out the line sets. So in case you guys ask why not you're not changing the line sets, it's because we don't have to change the line sets and it saves us time. So Good thing with that is we have RX flush to flush out the system, flush out the line sets, and then we're good to go. So guys, let's go, baby. Wepa!
mi gente, we're at the end of the installation. We just buttoned up a couple of things and doing some little tweaking and adjustments here, but we're pretty much at the end. It's a wrap. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe. It would definitely be much appreciated and it helps support the channel. But guys, this is what it takes to do an installation for a central AC and also here in Long Island. So if you want Louis Demolition to come to your home, that's right, your home, and install this beautiful AC to keep you cool all summer long, well, call Louis Demolition at 516-377-5200. But most importantly, guys, subscribe below, leave a comment below, and we'd love to hear from you. Hvac.